Hi, I'm Mimi from Mimi's Paper Crafting. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am making a quick card. I did not forget. I didn't forget my niece's birthday. Promise you, I didn't forget her birthday. However, it passed me by, okay? I'm not making any excuses. It was freaking, what day is it? It was 5 days ago. If you watch my channel, you know that I have had surgery in April. I've just became weight bearing. I've been in a lot of pain. My dog has been having issues where he's been passing out after hacking and coughing. It's been a lot, and I got the reminder from her about her birthday on my phone, and then it just flew right out of my mind. It's just been so crazy. So I am just using this Echo Park Happy Birthday pad. I cut this piece to 5 1/4 by 4, this one to 3 4 1/4. I'm going to stamp on it. Let me get my stuff. I'm running through this quickly because I have to go to the store, and I'm hoping I see my mom when she's at work so she can give it to her, because like I said, it's very late. I feel so bad. I feel horrible. I really do. I feel horrible about it, but I am making her a special card to make up for it. So I'm just going to stamp happy birthday right here. Great. Happy birthday. Let's just put this aside. Listen, I'm not even cleaning up at this point. We're going to put paper on the inside. I don't know what happened. My camera stopped. At what point? I don't know. If this is it. Hi, I'm Mimi. Welcome back to my channel. I am making a birthday card for my niece. I forgot her birthday. I didn't forget it. Urgh. It bypassed me. I've got a lot going on. So I just put card front on the back, and on the front stamped happy birthday, and I am adding paper on the inside, and we are using a Karen I can't say her last, Bernstein die. I don't know her last name. Let's face facts here. So I'm just adding polka dot paper in the middle, and I'm using this little pop-up die. I've already put one together, and then all you do is take this piece here, and it already has the folds, so you just fold on the fold lines, okay? And while I have it, I'm actually going to, because it makes it a little difficult once you put the arms in to fold it the right way, so I'm going to fold it beforehand with no, I can't even think, with no arms in. So you want to fold it like that, so it has this little mountains on there. And then we're going to take our arms. These are our arms, and they go a certain way. So you take this section here and glue on an arm like so. And these will hold our little square pieces. And then this goes here, and it's, come on, this one here goes like that. So you're just lining up the angles, basically. So this angle goes this way, matches up here. My dog was being very quiet, and now he's barking, I think because he heard me talking. If you didn't hear my reasoning for why I forgot my niece's birthday, and I didn't forget. My reminder came on my phone because, you know, I've had a lot going on. I'll admit it. I've had a lot going on. I'm trying not to make excuses, but I've literally had a lot going on. And then my dog, my puppy, has been having episodes where he's coughing and passing out. Okay, so now that that's together, we see this little hole. This little hole will help us line up on the crease of our card. And what we're going to do is we're going to take glue, and we're going to glue and leave one little bit up, and on the opposite side we're going to do the opposite. Okay, and then we're just going to center it and pop it down. Okay, so then when it opens, boom, like that. And now that that's in there, we have to close this part here. That's what that's for. Okay, so there we go. So we have that, and then closes, opens. Let's train it a little bit. Okay, and then we're going to take these and we're going to glue these on. We're going to glue this one on right here, off a little bit, and then we make sure it can close and nothing's showing. Great. We're going to do the same down here with another one. And we're going to close that up, make sure it doesn't show and it pops correctly. This one here gets put like here. Okay, and make sure, yep, we're good. Same down here, we'll go opposite, where it's going to be off to this side. Let's, yep, we're good. And then these, I believe, can just basically go one like that, one like that. Okay. Oh, those peek out a little bit. See, that's why we, where'd it go? Did I lose it? Oh, it's right there. Did you see it? Did you see it? Okay. And that needs to go. Where's that poking out of? It needs to go down further. It still needs to go over. Like that. Still. What the heck? Okay. There we go. See, you just move it around until they're all in the right spot, and then I cut out extras. I think what you're, let's see. I can do one off of here, maybe? Let's see. Let's see. Let's see if that works without it popping out. Just move it a little bit. Nope. There we go. That should do it. Nope. Do it up in the middle a bit more. There we go. That should do it. So you just kind of, no, still not. What is hitting? This upper corner is hitting. So does it have to come down more? Yes, it had to come down more. Look at that. I wouldn't have thought. And then we'll do the same thing with this one here. And we'll see how that folds. Okay. Once again, down a smidgen. There we go. I tucked it in that way. And then I have all these balloons. And I thought I would just cover these with balloons. When she pulls it open, there's balloons popping out. I cut them them out 2 at a time, so they're a little bit stuck together, some of them. What am I doing? What was I doing there? I don't know. Not paying attention. Come here. Okay, I have 2 more. Let's do that one there. And this one here. Okay, and when you fold it up, make sure nothing's poking out, and then floom, balloons. Then I will write her a message apologizing for being the worst aunt ever. Worst aunt ever. Okay, so I used, the balloons came from somewhere. I have no idea. I just have this bag of like random stuff, and then like I said, I used that Karen, I can never say her last name, it starts with a B. She's very expensive but really cool like pop-up dies. They come with these too, and some like push pins and stuff, but I just used this piece, the rectangles, and then the arms. And I'm going to put this in here so when I make it again, I know how to put it together. I had to rewatch the video, I'm not going to lie, I had to rewatch the video to make sure I was doing it right. But put that in there. And that is the card. I hope it makes up for missing, not forgetting, because I didn't forget her birthday. Thank you guys so much for joining me. I will see you in the next crafty video. Please like, subscribe, and let me know down below. Am I a horrible person? No, I'm just kidding. Please don't let me know that down below, okay? Please don't. But comment down below and let me know if you've used any of this woman's dies before. They're amazing, but man, are they complicated. Have a great rest of your day, and I will see you again soon. Bye now.